Hello everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon actually. It's a really rainy day today. पता नहीं कौन से मौसम की बारिश हो रही है पर सुबह तक तो it was sunny and everything. But अभी एकदम से मौसम बहुत ख़राब हो गया है and it's raining heavily here in Delhi. And I think you can hear it as well. But the problem is कि आज मुझे नवरात्रि शॉपिंग के लिए जाना था because I'm working with an NGO this year. Last year I was with Campus Care. To Campus Care में you have to like feed the campus dogs, take care of them and clean their bowls and everything. And we used to volunteer every month, like once in a month, to feed the campus dogs. We have 6 of them and they're really cute. I'll show you. This year I'm working with an NGO, and for this Navratri we have decided that we will not attend any Garba night or Dandiya or anything of that sort. One, because it does not make any sense, because it is not really real Garba or Dandiya. It's actually just partying at night. So that does not make any sense to us and personally to me as well. And anywhere you go for any Garba night or Dandiya, there is some sort of a ticket amount or entry ticket or entry fee, etc. And we have decided to save that money, and with that we will and also happy Durga Ashtami. कल है नवमी और कल हम जाने वाले हैं to give some cute things to little girls around who are not as privileged as we are. And for that I've decided to make some cute hampers. Like I'll just pack some cute stuff and some snacks in like some paper bags, and I'll then gift it around. I feel even I'm not really privileged कि मैं बहुत अमीर हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, लेकिन जितना भी है, whatever little I have, I think and I really believe कि if we can, we should actually share it with others who need it more than us and who are not as privileged, who do not have as much as we have. Because अगर हम 4 रुपए के instant coffee sachet से कॉफ़ी बनाकर पी सकते हैं, तो why would you spend, I mean not you, but personally, why would I spend 4 times in a cafe or Starbucks for that matter? And you'll also not really find me eating in a fancy restaurant or an expensive cafe, because the reality is that it is not really needed. We may want to have it, we may want to eat like good stuff in a good restaurant, in a fancy cafe with some aesthetic pictures, but I think we do not really need it, we just want it. और जितनी आपको नीड है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा किसी और को भी हो सकती है. You should actually share it with others. I mean, I'm not looking down upon everyone who eat out, or I mean, it's a personal choice, and you may or may not want to share with others. I personally prefer to share whatever little I have with others than spending a lot on myself. So that is one thing. And so yeah, so for that I had to go to shop some little items for that hamper, but बारिश इतनी तेज़ हो रही है, अब I don't think I'll be able to go, but I'll see if the rain stops. I think I might go. So it is actually feeling really nice sitting here, like I'm sitting by the window and the rain is pouring heavily. Like it's really windy as well, so it's really nice. And I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी सुबह तो, it is really humid as well, but थोड़ा calm down है, अब थोड़ा cool down है, तो अच्छा लग रहा है. And also regarding the sharing thing, we were talking today in class about how there is an Indian tendency to fancify everything. I mean, I don't know how to put it. Take Gurugram for an example. Like, they have made such isolated enclaves, and they've named the buildings in a really fancy manner. Pata nahi, I mean, they're trying to make it I mean, America of sorts. But the moment you step outside the buildings and that enclave, that apartments and societies, then the reality hits. I mean, I don't know if they are able to witness it or not, but there is a stark contrast between what is happening inside those apartments and societies and what is the actual reality. So, I mean, there is everything. There are all the facilities inside the apartments and the societies. Everything is really fancy and everything. And the moment you step outside those societies, there is a wilderness, and the roads are not properly built. There is no proper drainage system. I don't know how are people so oblivious to this reality, but that is how it is working here. And also, with the case of Banaras, how they have made that Kashi Vishwanath highway or whatever it is, they've broken down, they have demolished some old temples and everything. That is not what Banaras actually is. And I don't know what they're trying to make. I read it somewhere that India is actually living in two generations. On the one hand, you'll see apartments like camellias, and they have all the facilities inside. They have their shopping complexes and everything. And just as you step outside those apartments and buildings, there are street vendors. There are, I mean, there is no facility available, and there are such underprivileged people there. I don't know where all this will go, but I think we can act on our part, how much ever little we can. I know that it won't make a lot of difference, but at least I can do it on my part to just share. That was a little TED talk for you all. Yeah, and then I'll see you when the rain stops. I'll take you with me to shopping. Also, look how pretty the view is. This view and this view. So guys, घर का खाना खाओ जितना हो सके, और बाहर कम खाओ. मतलब जब ज़रूरत हो तभी खाओ, क्योंकि although we are the world's fourth largest economy, I don't know how, because there is still a lot of like poverty and hunger. And also, whatever I say, it's my personal opinions and my personal values. You don't have to, if you don't want to agree with me, don't agree with me, but just don't come out on me for like saying all of these things. I think on this channel we can agree to disagree. I mean, whatever I say, they are my own personal beliefs and values. You don't have to necessarily agree with them. If you agree with them, that's good. If you don't agree with them, just don't hate on me or anything. If you don't want to agree, you just don't agree. I mean, you don't really have to agree with every other person on the internet. You have your own set of belief systems and value systems, and they are your own. मौसम हो गया बहुत ही सुहाना. और ठंडा भी। और मैंने आज पहनी है वाइट पैंट्स, लेकिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, लेकिन बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है। एंड इट हैज़ बिकम रियली चिली। Yesterday only I was scribbling about कि सर्दियाँ नहीं आ रही हैं, सर्दियाँ नहीं आ रही हैं। I mean it's the end of September already and अभी तक बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है। And today it has rained so well and I think अब थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाएगा मौसम, which is good. And this is what my outfit looks like today.